Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the importance of studying artificial intelligence and data science in the B.Tech. In this era of advancing technology, AI and data science have become integral components of numerous industries, revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact. By understanding these fields, B.Tech students can unlock a world of possibilities and shape the future. So, let's delve into the exciting world of AI and data science. What is artificial intelligence? AI. Artificial intelligence, often referred to as AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of simulating human-like behaviors. This technology enables machines to learn, reason, analyze data, and make decisions with little or no human intervention. AI can process vast amounts of data and provide valuable insights that help businesses make informed decisions, automate processes, and optimize various operations. What is data science? Data science is a multidisciplinary field that combines scientific methods, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Data scientists utilize statistical analysis, machine learning techniques, and programming skills to uncover patterns, trends, and correlations in the data. The insights derived from data science help organizations make data-driven decisions, enhance performance, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Applications of AI and data science in industries. The applications of AI and data science are vast and diverse. Industries such as healthcare, finance, manufacturing, transportation, and many others heavily rely on these technologies to improve efficiency, accuracy, and overall performance. For example, in healthcare, AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, assist in diagnostics, and even predict diseases. In finance, AI algorithms can analyze market trends, automate trading, and enhance risk management. The potential of AI and data science to transform industries is immense. Promising career opportunities in AI and data science. Host, voiceover. The demand for professionals skilled in AI and data science is rapidly increasing. By studying these fields in B.Tech, you open doors to numerous exciting career opportunities. As organizations across various sectors invest in AI and data science solutions, they require experts who can develop, implement, and manage these technologies effectively. Job roles such as AI engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, and business analyst are in high demand, offering attractive salaries and growth prospects. Future-proofing your skills in the digital age. As we progress into the digital age, AI and data science will continue to play crucial roles in our lives. By incorporating these subjects into your B.Tech studies, you future-proof your skills and equip yourself with expertise in emerging technologies. AI and data science are expected to shape industries and drive innovation in the coming years. Being proficient in these fields will give you a competitive advantage and enhance your employability in a technology-dominated world. That brings us to the end of this video discussing the importance of studying artificial intelligence and data science in the B.Tech. We explored the definitions, applications, and career opportunities associated with these fields. Remember, AI and data science are not just buzzwords but powerful tools that can reshape industries and pave the way for a digitally advanced future. So, If you're pursuing B.Tech or considering it, make sure to embrace AI and data science as essential components of your education. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.